So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a simple and basic circuit within the everycircuit.com online simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, you can see that we have written everycircuit.com within the Google and we got our main working browser window. So this is everycircuit.com window. So you need to open this website, and then after this has been done, you can drag down, and here we can see an option that is launch free online simulator. So click on it. And it will lead us to our main working window. It can take a bit of time, so you need to be patient. Okay, now we got, we can click on this simple circuit. Okay, and now this has already been drawn, so we need to delete it out and also delete this component, and we got our window like this. Now we will try to make our simple circuit. So here you can see that there are a lot of options, just like this AC source, this voltage source, this current source, and resistors and capacitors and all these electrolytic, etc. So now we will just drag our DC voltage source of 1 volt, and we also need one push switch. So we can search for our push switch because we want to control a simple lamp. So I have taken one of my lamp, and here it is. Now we need to connect this and this one. Just click on two of these points, like this thing and this one, and we got connect 2 points like this and this. So now we got our circuit. Now what this circuit has, it has one voltage source, one push button switch, and one lamp. So actually we will just try to operate our lamp with the help of this voltage source via this button, push button. So now we will go to its properties, and we can see that this lamp has just like 1.58. So operating voltages are just 1.58, while this is the DC source has a value of like 1.36 and like this. So we need to increase it out like this, okay, like 1.8. Now we will run it out, and we will press our OK. It said we need to attach one ground. So search for ground. So here it is, click on it, drag it out and connect it like this. So like this we have got connected our ground like this. Again run it out. Now we can see that there isn't any sort of current flowing. So whenever I use to press the switch, you can see our lamp has been on. And also we can see that there is one graph showing on the right hand side, okay, on the right hand side of my push button. So now this is a very basic and simple circuit. It just has one lamp, one voltage source, and obviously we know that when our push button is open, no current used to flow and the lamp is off. While when we press the button, obviously the power or current will flow from the battery or voltage source towards the lamp, and then lamp will be blown up. Okay, so in this way this circuit has been made. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can draw a basic and simple circuit within the everycircuit.com online simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.